So play with Jaden. Show Jaden your ambulance. He likes the ambulance. Say, Jaden, here's the ambulance. Where's... Oh, he might like this little car. You like this little car? Oh, you're going to show him? Oh, but Jaden wants to see some more cars. What about standing up? Ooh. Oh. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a little too loud for him. Oh, you're showing him this? Oh, he wants to stand up. He wants to be in the action. Oh, Daddy's sitting down.
Jaden sit down.
Oh, Jaden's sitting down. Look.
Kaylin, take out your gummy.
Kaylin, talk to Jaden. He wants you to talk to him. Tell him what you're doing. Oh, what's that? Jaden, what's this? Do you want it? Here, take it. Grab it. It's a helicopter, right, Kaylin? Oh, press the button for Jaden. Press the button. Oh, Jaden, look. Okay, do you want to come? Jaden's like, oh, I'm going to stand now. And I'm going to walk. Okay, let me walk over here. Oh. Kaylin Poopy. Jaden Poopy? Or Daddy Poopy? Jaden Poopy? What about the kitty? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Kaylin's kitty. Oh, Daddy can't do... Oh, look. He's getting excited again. He's so excited he's drooling. Show Jaden some of your toys. Here, Jaden. Let's look at this car. Ready? Whoa. Jane, ready? We'll let Jane play. Jane wants... Hello, everyone.
Come say hi. Say hi.
What about
hi.
me? Yo.
Look. Daddy and Jaden.
Rockefeller. Oh,
Oh, Kaylin. Oh, it hurts. Oh, Kaylin. Get down.
Oh. Jaden knocked that over. Give me those cars. Daddy go. Daddy go. Ow. Oh, Jaden go? Oh, what a nice big brother giving him the car. Look what Kaylin gave you. Oh, Jaden, look what Kaylin gave you. Ready, Jaden? Push. Oh, come here. Oh. Is he yelling or? He's talking to you. Look, he's smiling. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. He's talking to you. Oh. Hey. Good thing he's got a diaper on. Oh, he's talking to you crazy, eh? Is he smiling, or do you think he's getting mad or happy?
Mad.
No, he's mad now? Okay. Okay. Mwah. Okay. Turn around. Bye, everyone.
Go say bye.
Merry Christmas.